Alright, this is a contest entry to Brycey. This is a controller contest entry. Well, first of all, here's my controller right here. The first thing wrong with it is that I got the back right here. I lost the white part because I don't know, I just lost it somehow. And I had to use this red one that I got from a controller that I had a long time ago that also broke. And yeah, since it's from a different controller, it always disconnects a lot, so yeah, I have to always put it back in, and I keep on dying every time I do that. And second thing is, if you look down here at the right thumbstick, there's a lot of ink down there from a pin. Because I tried to stick a pin down there, because I got a lot of that nasty stuff in there. So tried to get that out, and all that ink got in there. So not my best idea. And also, my brother got really mad in an MLG game once, and he slammed the controller on the ground, and it broke one of the thumbsticks right here. So this thumbstick, I have to play on like 10 sensitivity now because it's like impossible to move around. And yeah, the last thing is I got like a ton of that nasty stuff on there, if you can see it right there. All right, well that's pretty much it. And yeah, vote for me.